In today's fast-paced digital landscape, freelancing has emerged as a viable career option for individuals seeking flexibility, autonomy, and unlimited earning potential. As the gig economy continues to thrive, more people are turning to freelancing as a means of building their own businesses and pursuing their passions. However, navigating the world of freelancing can be daunting, especially for beginners. In this article, we'll explore how to start and succeed in the gig economy as a freelancer. Understanding the gig economy. Before diving into freelancing, it's essential to understand what the gig economy entails. The gig economy refers to a labor market characterized by short-term contracts, freelance work, and independent contracting rather than traditional full-time employment. In this dynamic ecosystem, freelancers offer their skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis, providing flexibility for both parties. Identify your skills and niche. The first step in freelancing is identifying your skills and determining your niche. Take an inventory of your talents, expertise, and passions, and consider how you can leverage them to provide value to potential clients. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, marketer, or consultant, there's a demand for your skills in the freelance market. Find your niche and position yourself as an expert in that area. Build your brand and online presence. Once you've identified your niche, it's essential to build your brand and establish a strong online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your work, skills, and services. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to network with potential clients and showcase your expertise. Invest in professional branding elements like a logo, business cards, and a professional email address to enhance your credibility as a freelancer. Set your rates and define your services. Setting your rates as a freelancer can be challenging but crucial for your success. Research industry standards and competitor rates to determine your pricing strategy. Consider factors like your experience, skills, overhead costs, and the value you provide to clients when setting your rates. Additionally, clearly define your services and offerings to prospective clients, outlining what you can deliver and the benefits they'll receive from working with you. Market yourself effectively. In the competitive freelance market, effective marketing is essential for attracting clients and growing your business. Utilize a multi-channel marketing approach to reach your target audience and generate leads. This may include content marketing, email marketing, networking events, and collaborations with other freelancers or businesses. Consistently promote your services and expertise to stay top of mind with potential clients. Deliver exceptional service and value. To succeed as a freelancer, it's crucial to prioritize client satisfaction and deliver exceptional service and value with every project. Communicate clearly and consistently with clients, set realistic expectations, and deliver high-quality work on time and within budget. Building strong relationships with clients and exceeding their expectations will lead to repeat business, referrals, and long-term success in the gig economy. Stay organized and manage your finances. As a freelancer, you're responsible for managing your business operations and finances. Stay organized by keeping track of your projects, deadlines, and client communications using project management tools or software. Additionally, manage your finances effectively by tracking your income and expenses, setting aside funds for taxes, and creating a budget for your business expenses. Continuously learn and adapt. The freelance landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies, trends, and opportunities emerging regularly. To stay ahead of the curve, continuously invest in your professional development, acquire new skills, and adapt to market changes. Stay informed about industry trends, best practices, and emerging technologies relevant to your niche to remain competitive in the gig economy. Freelancing offers a world of opportunities for individuals seeking flexibility, autonomy, and unlimited earning potential in the gig economy. By following these tips and strategies, you can start and succeed as a freelancer, building a thriving business and achieving your career goals on your terms. Embrace the freedom and possibilities of freelancing and embark on a rewarding journey of self-employment and success in the dynamic world of the gig economy.